Hey, this is Nazakat. If you're watching this video, chances are you're tired of paying monthly fees for AI tools that promise everything but don't actually help you make money. Today, I'm doing a clear, honest review of the AI Coach Elite Bundle. I'll show you what it is, what it does, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth buying or just another hyped AI product. Let's be honest, most people are stuck in what I call AI tool overload. You have ChatGPT, maybe Jasper, maybe Copy.ai, and still no traffic, no sales, no clear direction. That's because most AI tools are generic. They answer questions, but they don't tell you what to do next, in what order, or how to make money with it. And worse, most of them charge monthly fees whether you use them or not. So Kevin Fahey released the AI Coach Elite Bundle, claiming it replaces $97 to $297 per month AI subscriptions with 4 specialized AI marketing coaches for a one-time low price. That got my attention because this is not another Ask Me Anything chatbot. Each coach has a specific job. AI Coach number 1 focuses on traffic and affiliate monetization, especially for beginners. This coach helps you drive traffic, monetize offers, stay compliant, build income beyond just content. This is useful if you're confused about where traffic should come from and how to turn it into money. AI Coach number 2 is all about recurring income. Instead of guessing, this coach helps you understand retention, price offers properly, identify leaks in your system, build predictable income. This is not hype, it's numbers and structure. Very useful if you want stability instead of random wins. Coach number 3 focuses on Pinterest traffic, which is a search engine, not social media. It helps with keywords, profile optimization, affiliate traffic strategies. Coach number 4 is a Pinterest content bot that saves time by generating pin titles, descriptions, keywords, image ideas. If you publish content regularly, this removes a lot of friction. Let's talk funnel transparency because this matters. The front end is around $9.95 on dime sale. You get all 4 AI coaches, no usage limits, no API keys, lifetime access. There are upgrades shown after purchase, but they are optional, not forced. My advice, start with the front end only, use the system first, then decide if upgrades fit your goals. To make this even easier, I added my own exclusive fast track bonuses for viewers of Nazakat Marketing. These bonuses fix the biggest gap most people face after buying AI tools execution. You'll get a quick start command pack so you know exactly what to ask each AI coach, a 7-day execution roadmap so you don't get overwhelmed, an overwhelm shield checklist to stay focused on one strategy. These are designed to help you take action faster, not collect more tools. So is AI Coach Elite Bundle worth it? If you want direction instead of confusion, specialized AI guidance, no monthly fees, step-by-step execution, then yes, it's worth testing. This is not a magic button. You still need to take action. But for the price, the value is very hard to beat. If you want to get AI Coach Elite Bundle along with my exclusive bonuses, use the link below this video.